It's Frosty Friday. That means this Ice Queen brings you a different ice wine cocktail every Friday all winter long. True. Today we're going to make a red icicle for those icy days of winter. So we have a tumbler glass here filled with ice already. We're going to put in 2 ounces of ice wine. Actually, 1.5 ounces of ice wine. Perfect. We're going to do 2 ounces of pomegranate juice. That looks better. 2 ounces. Whoop. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Stunning. And 2 ounces of ginger ale, just to lighten it up. Perfect. Now, let's just give it a little bit of a stir just to bring all those ingredients together. And let's glam it up with some pomegranate seeds. Whee! And that, my friends, is a red icicle. Cheers.